Hey, good morning, all of you. How are you all? Welcome back to your general knowledge virtual classroom. Today, in this module, we are going to start a new chapter. But before starting, let me once again remind you to please like and subscribe to my channel, and you can share this video also with your classmates. So, let's start. Today we are going to start chapter number 31, Peer Pressure, Sibling Rivalry. You can refer to page number 63 for this exercise. In this chapter we are going to discuss the book exercises of this chapter. So please listen to it very carefully. Let's first understand what do you mean by peer pressure. So your peers are the people of your age with whom you spend most of your time. They may be your friends, your siblings, or your relatives, anyone. So looking at them, you also want to do the things they do. So this create a pressure on you. But what if they are doing something wrong? Will you follow their footsteps? No, you should not do that. So there are two types of peer pressure, positive peer pressure and negative peer pressure. This peer pressure can sometimes have positive side, like my friends are also doing, I should also give it a try. You think of giving it a try, then your competition for good grades, that he have achieved full, I will also try to achieve full, then you will study more. But sometimes there's a negative side also. Extreme peer pressure may lead you to follow what your peers feel right. Sometimes they put pressure on you to do what is wrong. If you give in to them and do it, you are getting into this peer pressure negative side. So you should not get into the trouble. Let's look at this exercise. These are some things that your peers ask you to do. You have to tick what you should do and cross what you should not. So the first one is offer money to the bus attendant to ensure that you get a good seat on the school bus. No, this is wrong. You should never offer money. Then second one, try and find out what questions are going on to appear in an examination paper. This is very bad. Don't do this anytime. Then third one, help a student who has recently been admitted to your school. Yes, you should help. This is right. You should do this. If you are a boy, be gentle with girls and treat them with respect. Yes, this is also a good habit. Then promise your friend a video game if he does not tell anyone that you used unfair means during an examination. Wrong. This you should never do. Then tease or make fun of a person who looks very different from you. No. Then a seventh one, if you are a girl, be rude to boys and tease them. No, you should not do this. You should equally respect everyone. Alter or change your marks on your report card. No, this is very bad habit. Don't do this. So these are the things you should not do while coming in the pressure of your peers. Sometimes we want to have or own certain things because our friends are having them. So this too is not right. Sometimes our parents may not give those things to us. Why? Because they have some reasons behind this. So some reasons are they may not be able to afford it or spend so much money on it. They think that it's totally waste. You are just gonna play it for half an hour and then you will keep it. So this is waste of money, na? Sometimes they may think that this kind of a thing is not useful for a person of your age. So you should not have it. Then it might be a distraction for you. You will end up wasting your too much time on it. You will not study. Then they want you to understand and appreciate the fact that you can't get everything that you ask for. You have to understand that everything is not in their hands also. They have kept certain limitations for you, so you have to follow that. You have to understand their reasons behind saying no. So you should respect your parents' decision, and sometimes you have to avoid certain things. Then next one is sibling rivalry. So the rivalry between children within the same family, brothers or sisters, is referred to as Sibling rivalry. Rivalry means your fights between brother and sister to become number one. That is sibling rivalry. Healthy competition between siblings is good. You must realize that your brother or sister has certain abilities or skills that you might not have. Then he or she must also realize that you also have some special talent that he or she does not have. So, from their early childhood, siblings must learn to share what they have with each other. It is the duty of the parents to make them sure, to make them understand the meaning of sharing things with others. So, this is the meaning of the peer pressure and sibling rivalry. You have to complete your A exercise and B exercise in your book only, page number 63. If you have any query, you can ask in WebEx class. Thank you for watching, students. Take good care of yourselves.